In this video, I'll guide you through how to improve Google PageSpeed using Cloudflare. We'll walk through a simple process inside your Cloudflare dashboard that helps you understand what's slowing your site down and which performance features will give you the biggest boost. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what to turn on to make your site feel faster and score better in tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. Let's start from inside your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you've selected the website you want to optimize, look for the speed section in the sidebar. This is where Cloudflare groups all of its performance tools. Within that speed area, you'll see a tab or option called Observatory. Go ahead and click on Observatory. Think of Observatory as Cloudflare's built-in performance lab for your site. Instead of guessing which settings might help, it actually runs tests that simulate real-world conditions. This gives you a much clearer picture of how your site is performing and where there's room for improvement. When you first open it, you might see results from previous tests, but for the most accurate information, you'll want to run a fresh one. Now, inside the Observatory page, click the button labeled Run Test. This tells Cloudflare to analyze your site's performance using up-to-date data. The test may take a short moment to complete, so just give it a bit of time. During this process, Cloudflare is looking at things like how quickly your main content appears, how long scripts and images take to load, and how efficiently your site's resources are being delivered. Once the test has finished running, you'll see a summary of your site's performance. To get the most value from this, switch over to the Recommendations tab. This is where Cloudflare really helps you prioritize. Instead of just giving you a generic score, it highlights specific features you can enable that are likely to have the biggest impact for your particular site. On this Recommendations tab, pay attention to the toggles or switches that Cloudflare highlights, such as features like Polish or Early Hints. Polish is designed to optimize your images automatically, which can significantly reduce loading times if your site uses a lot of images. Early Hints helps the browser start loading important resources sooner, which can improve how quickly your page feels interactive to visitors. Cloudflare doesn't highlight these features randomly. It looks at how your site is currently built and served, then predicts which changes will give you the highest performance gains. That means the recommendations you see are tailored to your site, not just a one-size-fits-all checklist. Take a moment to review each suggested toggle. Read the short descriptions next to them so you understand what they do and whether they make sense for your setup. If a recommendation matches your needs and is available on your plan, you can then go to the corresponding section in your Cloudflare dashboard and enable it. After you've made changes based on these highlighted recommendations, it's a good idea to come back to speed, open Observatory again, and run another test. Comparing the new results with the previous ones will show you how much your Google PageSpeed related metrics have improved. That's all there is to it. Open the speed section, go to Observatory, run a test, and then use the Recommendations tab to focus on the Cloudflare features that will make the biggest difference for your site's speed.